Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you've probably encountered the frustrating error 1053 when trying to start PostgreSQL on your Windows machine. The full error message says something like, Windows could not start the PostgreSQL service. Error 1053. The service did not respond to the start or control request in a timely fashion. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through some quick troubleshooting steps to help you fix this issue and get your PostgreSQL server up and running again. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more tech tips like this. And of course, if you have any questions or run into issues, drop them in the comments below. Let's get started. Here's what you need to do. First, go to the search bar on your Windows taskbar and type in pgadmin PostgreSQL. Open it up. Once pgadmin is fully loaded, leave it open. Now, while pgadmin is running, go to the Services window. In the Services window, scroll down to PostgreSQL and try starting it again. By having pgadmin open first, it helps ensure that PostgreSQL starts up without any issues. And that's it, a simple fix to resolve error 1053 and get PostgreSQL running smoothly. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.